Hello, Bachu. Let's see this question. The question says about a passage, and the question is given over here how bats can determine the distance of the obstacle. Okay, this is the question given, and this passage is given. तो देख लेते passage में क्या दिया गया है. Bats search out prey and fly in the dark night by emitting and detecting reflection of ultrasonic waves. The method is used by some animals like bats, tortoises, and dolphins to locate objects by hearing the echoes of the ultrasonic squeaks, that is known as echolocations. Bats emit high frequency and high pitched ultrasonic squeaks while flying and listen to the echoes produced by the reflection of the squeaks from the obstacle or prey in the path. From the time taken by the echo to be heard, bats can determine the distance of the obstacle or prey and can avoid the obstacles by changing the direction or catch the prey. However, certain moths can hear the high frequency ultrasonic squeaks of the bat and can know where the bats are flying nearby and are able to escape from the being captured. Okay? So अगर key concept हम लोग देखें इस question का, then basically बैट्स का इको लोकेशन के बारे में बताया गया है. बेसिकली जो बैट्स होते हैं वो इको का यूज करते हैं टू डिटरमाइन एन ऑब्स्टेकल इन देयर पाथ. ऑब्स्टेकल इन देयर पाथ, ठीक है. तो वो इको लोकेशन का यूज करते हैं. Now how they can determine the obstacle? See, it is given over here by hearing the echo. Basically, these are the bats, let's say, and they emit this ultrasonic waves and these are the obstacles. जहां पर ये टकरा के रिटर्न बैक करते हैं. अब रिटर्न बैक का टाइम ये समझ के ये डिस्टेंस कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं यहाँ से and accordingly change their path. So basically this way the bats can determine the distance. Okay, see, it is given over here from the time taken by the echo to be heard, bats can determine the distance of the obstacle or prey and can avoid the obstacle by changing the direction or catch the prey. Okay, so this part will be the answer of this question. Okay, so basically the answer is by calculating the distance or the approximate distance between them and the obstacle. Okay, hope you understood it well. Best of luck. Thank you.